warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Melana Wulandari and my registration number is A1M219095. In this video, I will explain and inform you about the topic that is currently being debated a lot. As for the topic that I brought up, namely about distance learning has a bad influence during the pandemic on students. As we all know, this topic is very hotly debated by teachers and parents of students. Before that, I will explain just a little about the topic that I will discuss. Distance learning is a learning method recommended by the government to break the chain of spreading COVID-19 with gadget facilities and internet quota to participate in this distance learning. The influence or impact of distance learning then emerges. There are those who think they agree with this topic and there are those who disagree. Well, my argument agrees that due to distance learning, many children have dropped out of school and that is a bad influence on students. In December 2020, UNICEF found that 938 children in Indonesia had dropped out of school due to the COVID-19 pandemic. In fact, 75% of them could not continue their schooling. This was also expressed by the Commissioner for the Protection of Indonesian Children for the Education Sector, Retno Listiarti. According to him, based on KPAI data from the start of the COVID-19 pandemic until February 2021, more than 115 children have dropped out of school because of marriage and work. Their reason is dominated by the economic condition of their parents who have been affected by the COVID-19 pandemic. Another reason for dropping out of school is the lack of facilities in carrying out distance learning. For example, gadget, learning quota, electricity supply, and poor operator signals. Whereas the argument that disagree with me is that long distance learning not only has a bad influence, but is the right method and path that has been taken by the government during this pandemic, so that learning continues for the sake of common health against COVID-19 transmission. Commissioner for the Protection of Indonesian Children, Retno Listiarti, conducted a parent-student survey on distance learning on their Facebook account. From the survey, 66% of the respondents said that they didn't agree with the opening of face-to-face learning, but choose distance learning, which means that parents think that there is a positive influence of distance learning, namely that children are not easily infected with the COVID-19 virus. Parents can monitor their children more close, and students also don't use cell phone just to play games but also learn. So that's all I can say at this time with the topic of the discussion. Please excuse me if there are any mistake or lack of words when I discuss this topic. Finally, I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and thank you.